Friends, today I am going to discuss about regular polygon. This important chapter is a geometrical shape. Polygon is nothing but a geometrical shape in which all the sides remain equal. For triangle, it will be equilateral triangle, equal sides, 3 sides. For quadrilateral, 4 sides, equal square. Similarly, pentagon, hexagon, nonagon, decagon, like this, all the number of sides and all the number of sides should be equal. When we draw it circle around a polygon, it will be known as circumcircle. If we draw a circle from inside, it will be inner circle. The circumcircle will have the radius also. This is the radius. Okay, if we draw a line from the center of circumcircle to the midpoint of a side, it is known as apothem. Okay, so in the question they will ask this type of what type of question they will generally ask. You will find this type of question. They may ask the length of apothem, length of side. Sometimes they will ask the radius of the circumcircles. Okay, how to calculate the values, area of the polygon, etc. So first of all, we will calculate total internal angle. If you know how to calculate the values for one shape, say it may be pentagon, hexagon, the same formula is applicable for all the polygon. The later stage will show the corresponding value for all the polygons, okay, through Excel sheet. So first of all, first question is total internal angle. What is internal angle? This one is your internal angle. The total 5 internal angle you will get. The formula for 5 internal angle, this formula you have to understand and remember, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Put as per n means number of side. Here for pentagon it is 5. So what will be the value? 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 means 6 into 90. This will give you 540 degree total internal value per pentagon. Similarly for triangle, 2 into 3, 6 minus 4, 2 into 90, 180 degree. For each internal angle, the total internal angle is 540 divided by number of side. Then total internal angle, whatever the formula, you divided by number of side. So in this case for pentagon 540, you got internal angle. So number of side 5, it will give you 108 degree. So each internal angle is 108 degree. Okay, 108 degree. So this portion is how much? 54 degree, 54 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now come to the central angle. When the central angle concept will come, if you draw a circumcircle here. Okay, if you draw central circle, so total angle around the center will be known as what? Total center angle is 360 degree. For each chord center, it will be 360 divided by n. In this case, 5 pentagon, 360 divided by 5. What will be the value? 72 degree. So each value is angle value is 72 degree, means this value is 36 degree. Okay, half of this is 36 degree. We generally term this is alpha. Now length of the chord. Length of the chord means this is the side. Side of pentagon has become the chord here. Okay, chord of this circumcircle. So how to calculate the chord from circumcircle? Say here it is S. Okay, If we take this triangle, this will be uh, value of sine alpha by 2 is what? If we take this triangle, sine alpha by 2 will be your s by 2 divided by r. Okay, or s equal to is nothing but 2 sine alpha by 2. So chord you can calculate from this formula, 2 sine alpha by 2. You will know the value. Alpha by 2 already you got it from this 36 degree. So 2 sines 36 degree in this case will be your S. Okay, 2R. 2R sine 30 degree. Okay, this will be your value of S. Now they will give one value. Either they may give you value of R on in this value of A, and value of side. Let us take value of side is 10 cm. One value they will give, given value will be 10 cm. So what will be the length of apothem and length of perimeter? First one, perimeter is very simple. Number of side into what? Length of each side, that is S. 5 number of side, S is what? 10 cm, they have given 50 cm. It is very simple, but you have to find out the apothem. Apothem means value of this line from the center to the midpoint. Okay, this is called apothem. What will be the value? You take this value, chord value of this triangle. What will be the chord value? Chord value will be your base upon perpendicular, s by 2 equal to cot alpha by 2. Okay, so ultimately it will be s by, if we count this, s by 2 alpha cot alpha by 2 will be apothem. Okay, so they have given what is the value of s? 10 by 2 cot alpha by 2 is 36 degree. If we put value, what will be the value? 10 by 2 is 5, cot 36, put the value of cot 36 degree, it will give you the value of 6.868. Okay, so like this, apothem you can calculate, perimeter you can calculate, so area will be easier. Area of polygon is nothing but half of perimeter into apothem. Perimeter is ns. Ns means 50. Half 50. Apothem you got 6.868. So ultimately, if you calculate this 25 into this, okay, it will give you 171.7 centimeters square. So these are the value. Now one thing you remember, always they will not give the value of A side. Sometimes they may give value of the R also. You may need to find out S. So from this formula you can find out value of S, putting the value of R, and vice versa. And from this formula you can put the value of side to get the A. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find out the value of, they may ask to find out the value of chord. So indirectly, that is the value of side. How we will find out? So in this case, what is S? Okay, so you can find out S or chord like this, 2 or sine alpha by 2. Okay. Now, if they have given all the value of the side 10. Now they have not given the value of R. How we will find out? you can find out from this formula also. Okay, s 10 2 or sine alpha by 2 put here, you can find out. Ultimately it is nothing but r equal to s by 2 cosec alpha by 2. So this will give you 10 by 2 cosec 70 cosec 36 degree 5 into 0.080 and 4.045. So this will be the value of radius. If they you give the value of site, you can find out the value of radius also sometimes. Okay, these are the formula you should remember. If you know all this formula, you can find out all the values from all the polygons. Okay, say for side 3 I have calculated from this formula. Side 3, 4, 5, 6 is as per triangle, square, pentagon, like this. Angle will be 180, 360, like this if you put the formula. Okay, what is the formula here? 2n minus 4 into 90. Put here. Central angle, okay, 360 divided by n. Then apothem already s by 2 cot alpha by 2. You put value, you will get the values. If you take the values of s equal to 10, this will be the value. For pentagon we have seen 6.867. Okay, decagon 15 something. Okay, this like this value will be there. Area, half perimeter very easy. N into s 30, 40, 50. Okay, like this. Area is half perimeter into apothem. So for pentagon we have seen. So like this you can make the Excel sheet yourself also with this formula. I think my lecture is clear and you understood all about the polygon. Thank you for listening.